If you're ever planning to go to Pampanga para mag-food trip, automatic kasama dyan ang sisig. And today, let me show you this restaurant that was founded in 1986 na nagsimula lang bilang isang sari-sari store. This is Mila's Tokwa't Baboy.
Hello guys, this is Christine from Kabalen Foodie. I'm with Bert. And today I'm going to show you the place where I love to buy dinuguan.
I'm excited. I have been hearing all about Milo's for the last couple of days, and I'm super pumped to try it.
Their sisig is also really, really good. But me personally, whenever I want dinuguan, this is the only place where I get it from. So let's try it.
I'm scared of dinuguan.
Why?
Ito yung pinakaunang store ng Mila's Tokwa't Baboy pero marami na rin silang mga branches ngayon. Tapos ayan yung gallery ng iilan sa mga politicians, artists at mga sikat na personality na dumayo pa talaga dito para tumikim ng mga specialty nila. Naka-air condition na rin pala sila kaya mas komportable ka na makakapag-dine in. At nandito na yung mga order namin so kain na tayo.
A little bit of sisig with rice. This is the best right there.
Very masarap.
It has a lot of crispy parts.
Yeah, the bottom definitely gets a lot of crisp. This one has got that crispiness. You really taste that crunch.
Yeah.
That is really good,
And it's
actually.
more flavorful when it's a little bit burnt.
Looking good.
Yeah, this is tocino barbecue.
Okay, let's try that.
It's good. You get the sweetness and then it's charred on the outside. The meat is very tender.
The way that they marinated it, and they also put like a kind of a sugary liquid on the outside. Filipino marinade is like an art form.
Yeah, it's savory, it's sweet, and depending on how you like it, you can also do it spicy.
Like
Yeah.
that is literally the first time I've ever heard of
Really?
eating fern. Yeah.
It's called pako salad. Pako is what we
Okay.
call ferns.
Wow.
Wow. That's my favorite down there.
I've never seen dinuguan like this actually.
It's
This
very
is
meaty.
different.
No, yeah.
So yeah, here we go. We're gonna try it for the very first time. I'm a little bit scared, a little bit excited, a little bit of everything. Ooh, cheers.
Cheers. That's my favorite dinuguan.
Okay. It's I'm not a big fan of the intestines, but I mean I think it's something that you grow up with and you like grow accustomed to.
This part, the intestines, I like this. So we just finished everything. We have clean plates over here, which is a good sign.
My favorite thing probably was the sisig, and then my next favorite thing was the fern salad.
So definitely for me though, the dinuguan is my favorite. This is my go-to place whenever I crave dinuguan. Sisig is the best. And it was my first time trying the tocino barbecue, and now I get why it's famous. And of course, the pako salad is a classic. But I'm happy to see that they're now fully air conditioned. It's been a long time since I last got here. It's definitely a good place to try sisig if you want to try that out when you go to Pampanga.